friends.
Hello friends, I'm Parikshit. Hello friends, I'm Parikshit from Kids Fun Land Club, and we are going to draw a big face emoji.
Yes. We'll be needing a black sketch pen as always, colors as always, and
A pink color.
I'll use skin color. You can use skin color. Yep. Let's
I
start.
will use skin also.
Let's start drawing the pig face emoji.
Yeah.
Yo.
You can call it also big face smile.
Yo. Okay.
Let's draw normal circle.
Let's draw a nose. Not a normal circle. Okay. And now the face is done. The ears.
You are also doing the ears. I'm done.
The eyes.
Nice. You're drawing here.
Obviously. Why
I'm
would
done.
I not?
I'm done.
Okay. Yo. Our pig face emoji is done.
You were about to say favorite.
Yeah, your Parikshit's favorite pig.
No. It's not my favorite.
Now let's get coloring it fast.
I can make a body also, but I'm not. That will be like an extra drawing. Right, Papa?
Yes. This is the drawing is pig face emoji. So why do you want to draw the body as well?
Big body emoji. Then we'll go.
Absolutely yes. Well, I'm just almost done. Parikshit, are you done?
Almost. Doing with the ears.
Very good. I'm done with my drawing of the pig face emoji.
I'm also
and
done.
Parikshit is also done. Wow! Okay. Parikshit, would you like to say anything to your friends over there?
Papa,
Yes.
please, can I draw body?
But this is a drawing of pig's face emoji.
But let me change the name.
No.
No.
No, you're not allowed to.
No.
You're not allowed to.
Take a body face image. Let's go drawing. How much draw you can draw? You draw.
I don't know to draw.
Just follow me now.
I don't want to follow.
I just want. Just follow
I don't want to follow you.
Just follow
I
me.
don't want to follow you.
I just please.
Okay. You draw what you want to draw.
You also.
No, it will spoil the drawing, beta. Let's not, because people learn using your drawings, na? So let's not spoil the drawing. This is a pig face emoji. Let this be a pig face emoji. If you want to draw a pig with a body, we'll do it in the next drawing. Yeah? Give me a high five.
No.
Quick.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Oh. So we are done with the drawing of this pig face emoji. We'll see you in the next drawing.
Next, we are going to make a big body emoji.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.